Hello. Hey everyone, my name is Abhishek Pandey. I am a cloud engineer. We are talking about today we are talking about AWS and how to rock the CLF C02 exam. We will focus on the money stuff like billing and getting help support. If you are into AWS or want to pass that exam, stay tuned. Hit like, subscribe and let's get started. So, so here we have a question like in the CLF 02 exam, we have like question like MCQs questions, multiple choice questions. So here we have what are the characteristics of the developer support plan? Select two responses. So we have now it's asking about the developer support plans have what characteristics. So we have the answers is business hours access to cloud support associate via email, and the second one characteristic of the developer support plan is like one primary contact can open a case, like one primary contact. And we have a question. Next question is like what are the four support plans offered by AWS? Choose four answer. So what types of support plans like AWS offers? So the AWS offers four types of support plan and also choose four answers. So these there are many multiple choice questions are. So we have business support plan, enterprise support plan, and the basic support plan and the developer support plan. So these are the support plans which we AWS offer. So our next question is which of the following is not available in the business support plan? So business support plan uh, support plans access to architected review diverse delivered by AWS solution architects. So this answer is related to that. So our next question is which of the following AWS support levels offers 24 by 7 support via phone or chat? Select two responses. So this is very good support plan offered by the AWS to support our customer. So we have two support plans who offers the 24 by 7 support via phone or chat is business support and the enterprise support. So you have to remember that what type of support plans, what is the billing criteria of AWS, which is asked in the CLF 02 exam. So we have next question like your company's IT management team is looking for an online tool to provide recommendations to save money, improve system availability and performance, and to help close security gaps. Which tool can help the management team? So it's asks about that how we save money. So which tool uh, give the suggestions to how to save money. So we have here AWS config. So this is not related to that. And we have cloud detective. So this is also not related to the recommendation of to save money. And configuration recorder, so it is recorder not related to the recommendation of to save money. So the answer is AWS trusted advisor. So it's advise you to like how to save money. So our next question is AWS support has five different severity levels for support cases. What are they? So we in AWS we have five types of severity levels here, like a low severity level and normal severity level, and the medium is not there, and high severity level urgent and critical. So you have to remember for your CLF 02 exam to nail it. So we have this question, and our next question is what is the response time of urgent issues of for enterprise support plan? Customers select the best answer. So if you taking a enterprise support plan, so what is the response time like urgent issues for the urgent issues like the customer which taking enterprise support plans and having any issues. So how what is the time limit? What is the time when Amazon responses? So answer will be like 1 hour or less. It is very good support plan like in less than 1 hour you have a support. We have you have a support from AWS. Okay. So our next question is like a basic support plans allows how many support cases per month? Select the best answer. So in the basic support plan, we don't have any support cases. So the answer it will be zero. So you have to remember all the things for the CLF 02 exam. Next question will be like What will AWS Trusted Advisor tell you? Select three responses. So we already learned about the AWS Trusted Advisor in previous MCQ. So what it tell it like how well the infrastructure is performing. Like it's tell about the how our infrastructure is performing, and deployed resources that are not being used, like save money, like save our money to while saying uh, deployed resources which are not in being used and but are occurring charges, like charges whether or not you are using tolerance. These three things AWS Trusted Advisor uh, tell you to save money and good for the good infrastructure. Our next question is, which AWS support plan include the assistance of a technical account manager? So select the best answer. So the question asks asks that AWS, which AWS support plans include the assistance of a technical account manager. So this is a post in the AWS, which is technical account manager, who give you overview and all the helps related to the AWS cloud on migration of on premises to in cloud. So we have technical support, technical account manager in the enterprise support plan. So thank you for that. Today's topic is only billing and support, and later we also talking about many things.